Hello everyone and welcome to Stream and Tech Now. Thanks so much for joining us today. On today's video, I'm going to show you the 3 top free 100% legal movie and TV apps for all of your devices, including your Apple TV, Roku devices, Fire TV stick. You can use it with Chromecast on your Android phone or tablet. It will work on all of those devices. If you've recently cut cable and you're looking for an alternative to, say, Netflix and just are trying to save some money, these 3 are the way to go. I've looked at a bunch of them and these are the top 3. I'm going to show you each of these coming up next. Okay, so first up is Zuma TV, and I'm probably mispronouncing that, but it's spelled Xumo. And like I said, this is 100% absolutely free and legal. You don't have to worry about going to a questionable website to download it. You can simply go right within your particular device, whether it's an Apple TV or Roku or Firestick. Just go to the App Store, the little magnifying glass, and search Xumo, and it will pop up on all of those devices. Just click install. That is it. That's how easy it is. And once you have it, open it up, and you'll notice it has a few different sections. I'm actually coming to you on my Android phone to present this today, and so on my particular Android phone, the different menu options are laid out on the bottom. So I'm in the channel section, and as you can see, it has a really nice clean interface, has a bunch of different categories with news, TV and movies, sports, kids and family. It just really has a little bit of everything, and it kind of scrolls horizontally just like that. And so unfortunately, I'm not able to turn this in landscape mode, so I have to have it in portrait mode. But so you have a whole bunch of different channels, so definitely come in here and explore and just kind of navigate around and see which ones you like. So if you go to the left, when I click on where it says On Now, I'm going to click that, but you're going to see the actual TV show being blocked out just because I don't want to get a copyright strike on the channel. I'm going to click On Now, and on the very top is a preview. So if you click on a particular channel, it will actually preview whatever's on, and it is very clear. It's HD quality, so it's just excellent, and it loads like immediately. And so you have all different kind of categories on the very top here. One of my favorite sections here is where it's called Most Popular, and so basically it has just kind of the popular channels, and then it has news and things like that, so it just kind of narrows it down to the most popular channels. You can also go to like TV and movies, you can go to sports, kids and family. So basically all of those sections that we just saw are listed on the top here. And what's really nice is if you want to get all of the kids and family shows concentrated together and you don't have to go search around for them, if you just click that title, it links all of those right next to each other, which is really nice. It just saves a bunch of time navigating through this site. The little heart next to it is if you want to put something in your favorites, and that's a really good feature. If you click the little heart on a couple different shows, you'll notice that favorites is on the very top bar here, and if you click that, it then puts the 2 favorites that you just put in your favorites. So that's another way to kind of keep this nice and organized. Like I said, it's an excellent site. It's an excellent alternative. Is it going to have the most recent stuff? Probably not, but it has an excellent selection, and like I said, it plays in HD quality. So let's go ahead and move to number 2. Alright, so next up is one that you've probably heard about before, and it's called Pluto TV. And if you have not heard of it, this is one that is it's really a close resemblance to full-fledged cable. It really has all kinds of channels, and I could just scroll for days. It has, tons and tons of channels. It even has some really popular ones that has come to here, like CNN and things like that. So there's Dog the Bounty Hunter. Dog the Bounty Hunter has his own channel. I mean, you name it, it's got really unique topics and genres, so it's definitely one that you're going to want to check out. I actually use this pretty much every night on my Fire Stick, and it works great. So you're definitely going to want to come over here where it says My Pluto, and you're going to want to create an actual account. It's absolutely free to sign up, and so you're going to want to go ahead and do that, because it will help you organize your channels, put things in your favorites and things like that. If you try to put something in your favorites right now, it's going to give you this message to sign in. So I encourage you to create a free account first. And if you can continue to scroll down, you even have all kinds of music stations. So I mean, you can come in here and listen to some reggae or pure soul, things like that. It's just got a little bit of everything. It's just an excellent app. If you come over to the bottom here where it says movies and TV shows, it has the different genres right here. So now, are these going to have the most recent movies and TV shows? No, but again, guys, this is absolutely free. It's just another option to use, and you'll find some pretty good ones in here. So like I said, it has all kinds of different categories with most popular movies and top TV shows and series and things like that. So definitely come and check this one out. This is going to be one you're going to want to definitely keep on your device. So let's go ahead and move to our final selection. Okay, so finally is Tobe TV. This is going to be our last one today, and this is a really good one. In fact, it has a Netflix sort of feel and interface. You can come to account and you can actually sign in as a guest, or you can create a free account as well. If we go back to home, it's going to have this similar layout that you're probably used to with Netflix. It also has a category that's called Not on Netflix. So these are shows that you will not find on Netflix, which kind of sets it apart. But it's got new releases. It has Movie Night, which is a pretty cool category. It's got weekly watch list. And so there are some really good shows on here. Will it have the very latest and greatest? Probably not, but definitely has some ones that you're not going to want to miss. And I think, you'll definitely find some good ones on here. You've got TV shows, you've got horror, you've got all kinds of different genres like westerns and nostalgia TV and things like that. You've got a comedy section. You can click browse down here, and this will help you find your different genres just like that. And so you can just search for a particular one. If you want to look for a particular show, you can just search for it. And so let's just click in on one and I'll show you what it looks like. There will be an ad from time to time, but it's nothing too bad. It's not too intrusive. And I'm not going to actually play it because I don't want to get a copyright, but you'll have similar movies on the bottom here, and then you'll have a quick little synopsis. And if you want to play it, you just simply click the play sign. You can use Chromecast as well, but again, this will be in all of your devices, and you can just search Tubi, T-U-B-I, and it will come right up. And it's HD, very clear quality. You guys will not be disappointed with that. So I encourage you to come and check out this particular Tubi app. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate you joining me today, and I will see you next time on Stream and Tech Now.